Let's have a look at who Ultravision Lighting Australia is. They're a lighting manufacturer and they make their lights right here in Victoria in a town called Swan Hill. I've been to the factory and I've seen LEDs being printed onto circuit boards and lights being assembled by their team. And they've been doing this for 20 years. And being an Australian manufacturer, they're able to be really responsive to their customers' needs and the needs of the market. As a business, they continue to innovate so that they can increase their range and their technology to create a class-leading product. Many of the team at Ultravision have been with the company since those early days, and they show and demonstrate great passion and desire to do the best that they can for you and I, the customer. Because all the manufacturing is done right there in-house, Ultravision is able to keep control of the quality of the product. And this ensures that the product lasts for many years, no matter how harsh the environment is. Prior to the advent of LEDs, we used to use halogen globes. Now these had three distinct disadvantages. Firstly, they weren't that waterproof. Secondly, they didn't tend to like vibrations. And third, they weren't very efficient. Only about 50% of the energy put into the globe got turned into light. The remaining turned into heat. So heat management was a real concern. But nowadays with LEDs, we're able to manage waterproofing and they don't mind vibrations. And LEDs are at least 3 times more efficient than a halogen globe. And therefore we don't need as large a wiring size, we don't need as big a relays, the fuses can be smaller, so there's a whole heap of advantages right there. Due to the size and configuration of LEDs, they lend themselves to different lighting configurations, and that's why we now have light bars, and we also have driving lights that have multiple different lenses because we can use different LEDs to achieve different effects. LEDs do generate heat though, and that heat is generated at the back side of the diode, so heat management is still a serious consideration. Therefore, we use a die-cast aluminium housing with really nice fins on the back of it to help us manage that heat and dissipate any excess heat from the lights. The LEDs are going to last about 50,000 hours. If you calculate that out and ran these lights for 8 hours every night of the year, they would last for 17 years. How's that for a long life? A unique feature of an LED is that the light only goes forward. Therefore, when you're creating the reflectors, it can be quite challenging. But the team at Ultravision have the technology and the experience to be able to refract that light so that we get a really nice even light source that uses as much light from the LED as possible to get it out there on the road surface. Now, to make an LED actually work, we do need a few electronic components that are printed onto a circuit board. Now, these components can be graded in grade 1, 2 or 3. Basically cheap, good quality or excellent quality. The team at Ultravision only use grade 2 and 3 for their components, and that ensures that you and I get a product that is going to do what we expect it to do and last for many years. And that's why Ultravision is proud to provide an excellent warranty on their products. It's great to see an Australian manufacturer out there competing in the marketplace and providing a premium product that is going to meet or exceed the needs of their customers. Good on you, Ultravision. I'm Mad Matt. Stay safe on the trail.